Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to send files on Messenger in 2022. The method is same on Android as well as iOS devices. If you want to send files like PDF or docs or Excel sheets or any other type of files, this video is for you. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, you should have to open a web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use anyone. And here type for DropMB. And you should have to tap on the first website on the top, DropMB free file hosting. Now the website has opened, so here tap on select files. It will fetch the files from your gallery. After that, tap on files option, and here choose the file you want to send. So let's suppose I am sending this Excel sheet on Messenger, so tap on this. Now you should have to tap on the drop down menu, here the follow link, and you will see some options. So you should have to tap on the copy this URL to clipboard. Now the link has copied. After that, close this website and open your Facebook Messenger, and here open the account you want to send the files. So tap on the message option and paste the link here. Tap the screen for some seconds and you will see the paste option. So simply paste this link and then tap on the send button. So this link will be sent to the recipient or the person you want to send, and it will automatically download it and he will see the file. So that is the easy method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.